Welcome to Biztech Solutions, where you'll always find the best deals in the market. In this video we are going to talk about top 10 best drones in 2021. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. What is the most advanced drone for 2021? For the time being, the DJI Air IIs is our top selection. It outperforms every other drone on the market when it comes to portability and performance, thanks to its folding construction, powerful 1-inch sensor, and variety of beginner-friendly flying modes. Number 10. PowerVision PowerEgg X. The PowerEgg X is a flyer, not a fryer, despite its culinary name. In a market dominated by water-resistant drones, PowerVision's airborne orb stands out for its ability to fly in the rain and land on lakes, with the Wizard bundle. The plastic waterproof casing degrades image quality, but the ability to work in, and float on, the wet things opens up a world of creative possibilities. The modular design, on the other hand, has a lot of flexibility. The PowerEgg X may also be used as a handheld gimbal camera or a self-contained AI camera that can be installed on a tripod and controlled with hand gestures. The disadvantage of the adjustable arrangement is that it takes longer to set up. It may be little, but it takes a few minutes to remove the protective covering from the body, attach the propeller arms, and set up the controller. Number 9. DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0. While the Phantom 4 Pro V.20 isn't the newest model on this list, it's still a good choice for pros looking for something durable and trustworthy in windy circumstances. The Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 was released in 2018, and it was a significant upgrade over the Phantom 4, with significantly enhanced obstacle avoidance and intelligent flight modes like Active Track. Its 20MP 1-inch sensor can capture stunning raw stills as well as 4K/60p video at 100 megabits per second in the dialogue color profile. Of course, because of its size, 1,375 grams, the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 isn't as portable as the foldable Mavic 2 Pro, which also boasts a 20MP 1-inch sensor. It does, however, come with a mechanical shutter, to eliminate rolling shutter, and a higher 4K frame rate than its smaller sibling. With superb handling and 30 minutes of flight time, it's well worth considering if you need to shoot high-quality aerial stills and video in severe weather that the Mavic 2 Pro might be unable to handle. Number 8. Rise Tello. The Rise Tello is a pleasant drone for first-time flyers because it is simple, lightweight, and economical. Despite its low price, the Tello packs a punch. The battery lasts a respectable 13 minutes, and the Tello can hover in place and execute a variety of automatic tricks thanks to downward-facing Lite sensors. When streaming 720p HD video, the image quality from the nose-mounted 5MP camera is less spectacular, with a limited dynamic range and apparent compression artifacts. Because video is transmitted directly to your smartphone, any reduction in connection strength affects the frame rate. However, the app is surprisingly basic and offers for a simple method to drive the Tello, with a rewardingly snappy on-screen twin-stick configuration. The theoretical range is 100 meters, but 30 to 40 meters is more feasible, which, given how easily the 80 grams Tello can be blown off course by even the smallest breeze, isn't necessarily a bad thing. Number 7. DJI Mavic Mini. The DJI Mini 2 has now replaced it, but this ultra-compact drone will remain on the market, which is fantastic news for anyone looking for a somewhat cheaper palm-sized drone with excellent video quality. The Mavic Mini lacks raw photo capturing, OcuSync 2.0 communication, for greater range, and some new motors when compared to its newer sibling, but it is still quite competitive and still outperforms any other drone in its weight category. It's a shame there's no active track object tracking or follow me function, as there is on the Mini 2. But if you're just getting started with aerial photography or filming, the Mavic Mini is a terrific choice. Number 6. DJI Mavic To Zoom. The Mavic To Zoom, like the Mavic 2 Pro, was released in August 2018, which means it has been mostly replaced by the newer Air IIs and Mavic 3 models, see above. Despite the fact that the latter has a 162mm telephoto lens, the Zoom still has a 24 to 48mm optical zoom lens, which is a first in the industry. Even if you're only interested in taking close-up photographs of subjects such as people, the quality of the optical zoom makes it a worthwhile consideration if you want to keep the safe and legal distance of 50 meters between you and the subject. However, because of the smaller 12MP sensor and fixed f/2.8 aperture, image quality isn't quite up to par with the Mavic 2 Pro, but photos and movies are still more than adequate for professional use. Number 5. DJI Mavic 2 Pro. Despite the fact that most of the functionality of the traditional Mavic 2 Pro can be found in the smaller DJI Air 2S, the classic Mavic 2 Pro's design has been influenced by the substantially more powerful DJI Mavic 3, which debuted in August 2018. Despite the fact that the DJI Air 2S offers better value in a smaller packaging, the older Mavic 2 Pro continues to give outstanding image quality from its 20MP 1-inch sensor, as well as superb 4K/30p video, despite its age. RAW support is provided for professional quality shots, and, unlike the Air 2S, it also includes an adjustable aperture, which allows you to switch between f/2.8 and f/11, for in-flight f-stop adjustments, a significant advantage for photographers who want to manually regulate exposure. Despite this, we still recommend that most people opt for the Air 2S instead, although considering the Mavic 2 Pro's age, it's worth keeping a lookout for bargains on the device. Number 4. DJI Mavic Air 2. The DJI Air 2S has pushed the Mavic Air 2, which was previously our best-selling drone, out of the spotlight, see number 1. However, you shouldn't rule it out as a possibility because it's less expensive than the Air 2S and may fit you better if you don't want the new model's larger 1-inch sensor. It still shoots 4K/60p video, has a 34-minute flight duration, and a comparable maximum range of 10 kilometers. You also get the same subject tracking capabilities as the Air 2S, as well as a slightly longer flight time of 34 minutes and that convenient, compact folding design. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3. Are you looking for the most powerful compact drone on the market? It's the DJI Mavic 3. A dual-camera system combines a big 20MP 4/3 sensor with a convenient 162mm telephoto lens to create this aerial powerhouse. And the Mavic 3 does so in a backpack-friendly package that is lighter than the Mavic 2 Pro model on which it is based. Other upgrades over its predecessor include a 46-minute battery life, about half an hour of actual flight time, and the ability to record 5K/50p video or 4K/120p slow-motion film. Number 2. DJI Mini 2. One of our few gripes with the DJI Mavic Mini was that it couldn't capture 4K footage. This superb successor overcomes that while also providing a few extra bonuses. The Mini 2 has the same ultra-compact design as its predecessor, making it DJI's joint smallest drone, but it also comes with a new controller that improves range, thanks to OcuSync 2.0 connectivity, and provides a more refined flying experience. It comes with a large number of beginner-friendly quick-shot settings, similar to the Mavic Mini, in which the drone performs pre-programmed motions. However, the Mini 2 has more to offer professional photographers, thanks to the addition of RAW photo shooting and the addition of a 100MB/s bitrate for 4K video. Number 1. DJI Air 2S. The fantastic Air 2S combines the greatest characteristics of our previous two favorite DJI drones, the Mavic Air 2 and Mavic 2 Pro. You get the former's tiny, foldable design as well as the latter's 20MP 1-inch sensor. The combination is fantastic, making the Air 2S our top pick for enthusiasts and professionals who require a compact drone that they can take with them wherever they go. While the Mavic Air 2 is still a viable option for those on a tighter budget, the Air 2S offers several useful improvements over its predecessor. The ability to record 5.4K video at 30 frames per second provides you more creative freedom, and it also features a useful digital zoom option, though we only advocate using it at 2x zoom. What do you think about our video? Let us know in the comment box below. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Also, please check the description for the latest price. Thank you.